So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a necktie. Real easy, you're going to learn how to do it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's really super simple. Let's get into the video. Okay guys, you want to know how to tie a tie? I'm going to teach you how to tie a necktie very, very easy. So you got a standard tie, okay, and you got your shirt and you button it all up. Make sure you button your collar, okay? So the best way to do the tie, and I'm going to show you step by step. It'll take around 2 or 3 minutes, 4 minutes, so be patient. And if you want to learn how to tie a tie, this is the best way to learn. So button up your shirt, put a nice shirt on. First thing I do is pop the collar a little bit, get the tie underneath the collar. That's the first thing you want to do, is get the tie under the collar. That to me is the easiest thing for me to do. So you get the tie under the collar. You can see it's under the collar, okay? You can see it, you don't see it, which is nice, right? And so what you want to do is just get the tie out. So what you want to make sure is the tag and your tie is in the inside of your shirt, okay? Let's make sure, so because when you end up, you're going to end up with the tie back into the shirt. So let's make sure that's done correctly, and which it is, okay? So what you want to do is take your tie, take your big part, this is the big part, okay? You can see it right here. And you want to wrap it around the small part. So the small part goes in the back, the big top goes in the front, all right? So you take that and you wrap it around once, okay? As you can see, and then twice, all right? Now you want to fish it through the top of the neck, like this here. So you fish it through the top of the neck, okay? So now you can see the basic setup of the tie, and you want to put it through the first knot. You'll see the first knot right here with your finger, okay? I know it's a little confusing, but you just got to keep practicing. And then you put it through your first knot and you push it through, like this, okay? And then once you push it through, then you can just move it up to the top of your neck, and that is how you make a tie. And you can play with it and fish around with it, and make it as good as you want, and move it all around, make it tight, and make it loose. But that's the basic premise of making a necktie. So let's do it again. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to your review channel. Please don't forget to like, share, also subscribe. It does help support my channel. I hope you're learning how to tie a necktie. All right guys, let's get back into the video, and don't forget to subscribe. Let's take it off, and I'll show you again, and I'll slow it down again. And you're gonna have to practice this, guys. It's just the best way to do it. You gotta keep practicing until you get it right. All right, again, let's go over it again. 2 ties, done. It's untied. Okay, take the 2 ties like this. All right, you wanna take the big part, and this is the small part. Small part goes in the back, big part goes in the front. You wanna wrap it twice around. So here's 1, again, 2, right? And then you take it and you want to make a loop out of it. So basically you're making a knot, okay? So you pull it through, okay? Hopefully you can see that. And then you got this knot here, and you put your finger through, all right? Once you put your finger through, that's where the tie goes down. So you just push it down, you pull it through just like that. And see how big that is? And you can adjust the size of this. You make it bigger, you can make it smaller. And you just pull it up to your neck like that. And this goes in the back. As you can see, I'm looking at myself on the monitor, so I'm getting a little confused because it's backwards, but this way you can see, get the idea, looks like. And then you take the back of your tie. And there's always a little loop in the back of these ties. You ever see these little tags here? Well, that's to put the back of this little doodad here, the tail, in the back of that, so that way you don't see it. Now, if you have a tie tack, you can use a tie tack, and that's really, really easy. And let's see, okay, and that goes behind there. And that, my friends, is how you make a tie. And any questions or comments? Watch the video over and over. I think you'll get it. It's really super simple. I mean, it's really nothing to it. Don't have any questions or comments, leave down below if you're not sure which way to go. Leave us some comments below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help me quite a bit on my channel. I do appreciate it. So I hope I taught you how to tie a tie. And I'll see you in the next review.